this story.
I grew up around music, so I've been doing music my whole life, but I didn't really become a professional in my mind until after college. Nobody told me that it could be really a career. I kind of had to figure that out myself.
It's fun until you lie. I don't get
All the mentors that we have come to camp are really connected in the industry, and they're at the top of their game. It's a really great opportunity for these kids to meet, connect, and find new advisors, new friends, and people that they can bounce ideas off of and help them get connected in the industry. The producer/engineer that we have there's no way we could afford him, but the fact that he gets to work with kids and help them, that's why he does it. The songwriters that come to this camp are varied and diverse. We have 12-year-olds that are YouTube stars. And we have 18-year-olds that have multi-record deals with major labels.
Call me just a hand, I'll dance clean lines, only for your clean entertainment.
And we have people that are just starting out. What we're really good at here is meeting everybody where they're at and then helping them get to the next level. The goal is for them to bring a song and then we record it here and help them evolve and renovate that song based on what they're learning here. They might come with writer's block, they may come with a lack of inspiration or just not sure what their voice is, their identity, but they get so inspired by all the people that are creating here that it helps them create.
Being around all these creative people makes me want to be more creative.
I am way better than I say I is, and I am done treating myself like this, and I won't be my own antagonist in any situation. Baby, Nathan got a plan for this.
I may not be able to express a story with words as well as I can with words alongside music.
Kids find music. It's not like they choose it, they find it because it resonates with them. And sometimes they don't really, they're very introverted or they don't know how to communicate, but they can express their ideas through songs so much better because that's the language they somehow just know how to speak.
I didn't really see myself as a prodigy. I feel a lot more passionate about songwriting. Well, I've always been passionate about songwriting, but like I'm starting to realize it now. Even with the little voice that I have to make the largest amount of an impact that I can with it. The Nathan that is leaving this camp loves himself a little more than the Nathan that entered this camp.
So they learn so much about themselves, but they also learn so much about how to be better people. You know, whether you're in film or music, that's kind of the baseline. Finding your voice, becoming a better person, that's what makes great art, you know?